I want to quickly explain to you how to really increase your performance and the length and the quality of your workouts from what you eat right before. So there's a little bit of a science. I'm not a scientist, but there's a little bit of a science for what you should eat before your workouts, and it's actually pretty simple. You want to do two things. The most important thing people like to do is load up on complex carbs. For most people, it involves like I love my favorite snack is I have one apple. That's it. 30 minutes before workout, I just have one apple, and that's it. And actually, I keep a bag of apples like at home, and each one is like for a workout. So depending on how often you work out, you can just get like this will last you for 1 or 2 weeks, and you have your pre-workout set. Some people like bananas. I don't prefer them. They don't seem to give me as much energy. But different people have different bodies, and some people like a granola bar. I also don't prefer that because I don't know. Apple seems the most healthy and the most natural out of all these options. Uh, this can like a small like this is a mid-size apple, even a small apple. This can give you a boost for like an hour or even a 2 hour workout. And if you really train, like if you go for like a 3 hour, two plus hour or 3 hour workout, like something like a marathon, or you're running 15 miles or something really intense, then you would have maybe more than just an apple, maybe like an apple and a granola bar or something like that, right? But for if you just go to the gym for like a 1 hour class, like most people, or even like 1 hour and a half, because if you do a class and maybe you do little weights, or maybe you do a class and work out, or whatever you do, apple actually is more than enough. It's pretty much enough. And even if you have a big workout, you just have a bigger apple. And you will see a huge boost in your energy level. And like sometimes in workouts you kind of get tired and you hit a wall, and this will really help you to like keep you going. It's an amazing change from not doing it to doing it, and you'll get more out of your workouts, um, and you'll train better, right? And so of course this will also help you increase your performance. If you're actually doing something competitive, you'll actually play whatever you're playing better. Or if you're doing weightlifting, you'll like lift more for longer. It will just give you more energy. So 30 minutes before a workout, maybe 45 minutes, something like that. Another interesting thing, caffeine, so tea or coffee, is a drug. It's a performance enhancing boosting drug, and it makes you a lot more alert. Now, it doesn't actually give you real energy, but it does make you a lot more alert, and it feels like you have more energy, and you do end up performing better. So before some kind of games or competitive games or things like that, or even a big gym workout, I make sure I have my either I already feel very alert, and if I don't for some reason, I have some tea or a little bit of coffee. And this is good more like 1 hour before workout, because coffee stays in your shit. The half-life of coffee is like 12 hours or something, or 6 hours. So basically, if you drink 1 hour before workout, it will give you enough time to kick in, and then it will stay in your system for most of the day. Of course, if you're doing this at night, don't drink too much coffee because you won't be able to sleep. But these are really good performance enhancing techniques, and both of these together will really excel your performance. You'll find yourself like if you weren't doing these, you'll find yourself like a super person doing this stuff. So try it before your workouts and just add it to your workout routines, especially the first tip on eating like a healthy complex carb snack like an apple, which an apple is like I love apples. I almost now don't work out before without having an apple before. And it's made a huge impact in my personal workouts and just made them better. And then I'm able to, an apple like this is only like, like one of these is only like 100 calories, maybe even less because they're small. So, you'll quickly burn that in your workout by just doing maybe like 10 or 15 minutes of more intense things. But overall, you'll do so much better. Anyway, that's what you should probably eat before workouts. These are the things that trainers recommend, and it definitely works for me.